Hi, I'm Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at isosceles triangles, and here's a second example. So this is the triangle at the top here that I've got to solve, and I've been asked to solve to find angle x. So this is a two-part problem. The first thing I do is identify that there's two red hash marks. So that tells me that the triangle is an isosceles one because those two sides are equal in length. Then I need to apply the reasoning. Well, I know for an isosceles triangle that the base angles are equal, but I also know the other rule about triangles is that the sum of the angles inside a triangle have to add up to 180. So I think about the rules that I have, and that's when I'm going to start. So I'm going to start by doing the opposite corner, the other base angle. I'm going to call that theta. And I could give that any name, or if the triangles are relabeled, I'd use the labels. So I'm going to say, well, that angle theta is the same as 61 degrees, because both of those base angles are the same. And there's my reasoning. Base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. So that's the first part. Now that I know how big the base angles are, now I can try and work out how big x is. So that's what I want to do now. So now I can use the rule about angles in a triangle add up to 180. So let's write an equation. X plus both of those base angles, so 2 times 61 degrees, that has to equal 180 degrees. And there's my reason. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Now I can solve this. So 2 times 61 is 122. And then I'm going to subtract 122 from both sides, which leaves me with x equals 180 minus 122. And 180 minus 122 is 58 degrees. And so there is my answer. So x is equal to 58 degrees. Thanks very much for watching.